bullish or bearish, we are here for both. Whether it's your first time trading or you're already a savvy investor, we believe financial freedom is for everyone. And together, let's take advantage of the vast wonderland of money that's unfolding right before our very eyes. We are Trading Republic. Welcome to our podcast. And this is where the hot money is.
Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Hot Money Podcast, and today we're going to talk about where are you going to put your money. So excited na ba kayo? Kasi ako excited na kasi hindi ko alam saan ko lalagay yung pera ko sa gulo ng nangyayari ngayon. Pero sige, kumustahin mo natin. Here with me is Coach Jake and Bozzy, and my name is Jairus, and today we're going to talk about yun nga. Saan mo lalagay yung pera mo ngayon, Coach
Well,
Jake?
sa dami kasi na nangyayari ngayon sa mundo, no, mahirap na, no, hindi natin alam kung ano yung magiging like for the next week, ganyan, for the next year. Hindi natin alam eh. So we needed to parang alamin
Prepare.
kung saan mo lalagay yung money mo, no?
Yep.
For example, no, sa ngayon hindi naman kailangan malaking pera eh para to make your money grow. Kailangan mo lang siguro as little as $100 or 5,000 pesos.
Yes.
Sa dami ngayon ng pwede nating paglagyan, maliban, more than the traditional banks, no? Pero yun nga, yung nangyayari ngayon sa mundo is sobrang gulo eh. Ang dami
Bakit? So what's happening ba in the world right now?
Ngayon, parang meron tayong nangyayaring parang global war sa Middle East, no?
Yes.
So, ang epekto nun sa atin is that, yun nga, tataas yung
Oil.
Yeah.
Yung
Tataas yung
pag tumaas yung
gasolina.
oil, tataas
Sabi ng
yung
Meralco, tataas to yung
production.
yung
Electricity as well,
eh.
no?
Oo.
Yeah, kasi paparating pa yung summer, mukhang ibang pang issue
Yun,
yan. no?
iba pang
Oo nga
issue
eh.
pa yun eh. Kaya kailangan talaga nating magtipid. Kayo ba, ano
Yeah.
ba ang ways nyo para magtipid?
Magtipid?
Mag-save ng anything. Meron ba kayong...
Stay at home.
Stay at home.
Blessed kasi tayo kasi work from home tayo.
Yeah,
Yung problema.
work from
Oo.
home.
Kasi ngayon parang pumalo yung gas, not gas, oil. To $113.
$100. Mahigit. Oo.
113. Is it a barrel ba? Hindi kasi
I don't know.
Basta nakita ko lang 113 eh. Tapos
Meron
ko
pa
na
kasing
lang.
US oil, tapos meron pang Brent oil eh.
So wait, na-trade mo ba yung oil?
Ngayon, short ko nga.
Actually
Short
ako
ko
din
nga
eh. Buti na lang kasi
Oo.
right now meron tayong mga platforms na ganun eh.
Pwede.
Shout out
Namin.
to...
Teka lang guys, walang magpo-position.
Baka mamaya late na to.
Late na to, mga
Okay.
kapatid.
Currently, yun nga, the crude oil is
Yeah.
like pumping kasi nga scarcity.
Yes.
So, limit yung production ng Middle East kasi they are the top producers of
Yes.
oil, no?
Actually, I think one of the things na kaya nagtataas din yung prices because of that. From what I read, no, I'm not an expert when it comes to this, but there's a strait where, the trade for, when you transport oil going to and fro this area, mukhang hinahinjak. So, baka mamaya sumabit sila dun sa crossfire and we don't want that. The world runs on oil at the moment. So, unfortunately, yun yung may traffic dun.
Oo, sa Strait of Hormuz na yan eh.
Yes.
Second largest
Producer.
or parang
ba?
way.
Pero that
for-
really shows kung gaano tayo ka-dependent dun sa
Yeah.
commodity na yun.
Yeah.
No?
And how we're dependent with other countries din,
Yes,
no?
oo.
So I guess important nga na make friends, not war.
And of course, yun nga, one way is to like lessen your labas,
Yes.
ganyan. And kung maaari, stay at home.
Yeah. I think
ganun.
I just saw in the news that they're implementing a 4-work day.
For
Was
work
it-
week.
was it
Oo
oo.
nga,
like
for
For
government
work
right
week.
now.
Oo.
For government.
For the
yes.
Sa ibang
government or
kasi sa ibang
private.
countries, may ganyan eh. Even private, may mga
Yeah.
kilala akong mga nurses
Mhm.
nasa abroad na they work like 4 hours, 4 days, sorry. 4 days pero 12 hours.
Okay.
So they are off
Wow.
like 3 days.
4 by 12.
Oo.
Yung tinatawag
Kasi
na
yung
4
anak
by
ko din,
12.
Oo.
4 na araw lang yung klase. Monday, wala silang pasok ngayon eh. So
Oo.
parang wala silang
Monday pa talaga.
Tuesday hanggang Friday lang. So wala silang
Mm-mm.
isang araw off sila. So
kailangan overtime, ganun.
hindi naman. So sabi ko, ang swerte ng mga bata ngayon ah. Bakit yung tuition parehas din? Dapat kumawas
Ayun
din
lang.
eh.
Oo.
Tumawas na
Oo.
no?
Baka tinaasan yung sahod ng mga teacher.
Ewan ko.
Siguro,
Ganun
Kasi kailangan nila
siguro.
magstay ng 12 hours sa
Oo.
ano. Yan.
Ikaw, Jai, anong mga ginagawa mo to save
To save,
gastos?
bawas pagkain.
Mukhang nangangayayat ka na nga eh.
Ramdam na. Hindi.
Ramdam.
Pero ang to save is every time na, budget pa rin eh. Like
Budget
every
din.
month. Every month meron akong sheet pa rin na ginawa namin nila bossy.
Okay, for budgeting.
For
oo.
budgeting na ito lang for specific kind of gastos, tapos huge amount of that will go to my savings or investments. Ganyan.
Kaya mamaya natin pag-usapan kung saan
Oo.
malalagay yung savings mo.
Ah,
Ayun.
sige,
Mamaya
sige.
natin pag-usapan yan.
Okay.
So, sa akin naman, ways ko is that gumastos ako eh.
Mm-mm.
Parang recently naglalagay
Uy!
ako ng solar.
Ay,
Oh, nice. So, you
Safe na.
spend to save. Yun.
I spent to save kasi
Yes.
kinakalculate
For
ko yung
long
ano ko eh, yung
Oo.
monthly bill namin sa Meralco. That's ang laki eh. And if I put it into solar, kinakalculate ko na mababawi siya around 3 to 4 years.
3 to 4
So,
years.
At least kahit pa paano, one time, big time, and then maka-help to save up for the
Yep.
electricity. Kaya ngayon, todo aircon yung mga nasa bahay kasi hindi namin nako-consume yung buong harvest ng solar eh. So,
Okay, I have a question. What is the lifespan or the expected lifespan of the solar?
mga 15 to 20 years daw eh. Mga
Okay.
more than pa.
Alright. So,
Pero-
ROI mo is,
3 to 4 years.
and then afterwards, kind of like
10
Free
free.
na.
years.
Oo, free na siya.
Wow.
So,
So,
ganun
it
siya.
pays for itself afterwards.
Yes, oo. Tapos naka-EV pa ako.
Oh, wow.
Full EV.
So,
Pwede.
good morning sa
Oo.
lahat ng naka-EV today.
Oo nga, walang
Full EV pa
Pero
ako.
kasi tataas yung kuryente. So,
Yun.
Yeah,
So,
yun lang.
kaya nag-solar din ako.
Okay.
Kasi
Close,
I want
yeah.
to be like self-sufficient. So,
Right.
harvest ko sa solar, pump sa electricity sa kotse,
Yun.
libre yung mileage namin.
Oh,
So,
nice.
so yun yung part
smart,
ng-
smart tips.
smart
from
tips,
Jake.
pero hindi siya
gagastos
mura.
ka muna.
Okay.
Hindi siya mura.
Hindi siya mura, yes.
You have to spend more
Yes, yes.
para at least in the future mabawasan naman yung ano mo. So, yan yung counter na intuitive na
Oo.
na knowledge or na belief ko na, 'di ba? Para to save,
Sacrifice now,
sacrifice
save later.
now, oo,
Yeah.
save later. Para
Basically,
hindi
nilolong game mo
ka na,
siya.
yes, long game
Yun.
siya, no.
Yeah.
Wag lang masira.
Oh, yeah. Yun lang yung
Wag
risk
lang
mo.
masira,
Pero
wag lang
yes.
masira. Yes.
I
oo.
guess dun lang din sa when it comes to maintenance or
yeah,
when it comes
paano yung
to
maintenance?
like how do I take care of this? Kasi people automatically assume hindi ROI to dapat na ganito,
Yes.
but they don't look into the other factors like paano ba natin to i-maintain, 'di ba?
Wear
Syempre
and tear.
kung bibili ka ng sasakyan, 'di ba? Parang may monthly maintenance yan,
Yes,
'di ba?
oo.
So of course
So,
it's different from these things.
You have to weigh in yung mga ganung mga factors, no. So, medyo matagal kong pinag-isipan yan, yung EV, and then yung plano namin na solar. Yung solar, hindi naman siya, it's really like on the back of my head lang. Tapos nagtanong lang ako, dahil binablast ako mamaya baka i-blast na kayo ng
Marinig
ads
na
dyan,
nito
no?
nung ano.
mga ads, no? Binablast ako ng ads, and then kinumpute ko, no, it just makes sense.
Yes.
And then, ang nakakatakot is to pull the trigger kasi hindi siya mura.
Yes.
Yeah.
But at least, in the future, baka mag-make sense dahil nga,
Mm.
mababa yung ano.
Mm.
Pero, anyway, speaking of savings, no, sinabi ni Jai na nag-save up ka may nagtitipid ka for the gastos, nag-budget ka, and then meron nagtitipid for the savings.
Yes.
Saan mo nilalagay yung savings mo?
Sa savings ko, ayan na, sige. So, medyo sasabihin ko yung local banks natin dito ngayon. So, syempre, ang ginagamit ko is GoTime.
O go time.
So, GoTime, doon ko nilalagay kasi malaki yung nakukuha ko. Though, meron pang isa eh. Alam ko yung Maya, if you're using Maya as well. Meron siyang parang, if you are spending a lot, parang tumataas siya up to 8% yata. So, medyo mataas din. So, yun yung current. Pero right now, I'm in GoTime.
GoTime.
Kasi doon ko, parang pang stables, yung nakwento ba ni Bozzy yun, yung about sa 3Cs ba yun? Or parang how the Israelites
Yeah. I
do the
think that was on the
savings.
first episode.
That's one first
Yeah.
We were
episode,
talking
oo.
about it, yeah.
So, yun yung parang ina-accumulate ko ngayon. Kaso, medyo pabaliktad pa kasi hindi pa kaya yung land.
Yeah.
Pero
Yes.
right now, at least, idle money is earning.
Earning.
Yes,
at
earning
least,
something.
Oo,
Yeah.
at least something.
Yep.
And it
Yeah.
adds up,
Yeah.
no?
Mm.
Even though, siguro para sa mga listeners natin, ano ba yung 8% na yan? Wala silang comparison eh.
Gets.
Mm.
Oo.
So wala silang comparison. They don't know if the 8% is good. Baka tingin
ano
mo
ba
is
itsura niyan?
sa
Diba?
nominal it's just 8% eh.
Yep.
Pero if you compare that to traditional banks, meron kasi ako ditong cheat sheet na
Yung
parang
yan.
Ready.
mga traditional banks kasi natin.
Ready.
Oo.
So meron tayong parang sa Pilipinas, meron tayong
Mhm.
dalawang parang clusters, no?
Mhm.
Meron traditional banks which is yung mga I think mga BPI, BDO,
Yeah.
Metrobank, Land Bank, RCBC, Union Bank.
Mm.
These are just examples of the traditional banks that they give. Imagine, pag nilagay mo yung pera mo doon, without luck walang luck, the interest rate, the highest that I can see over here is that
1%.
0.1%.
Wala pang 1%.
0.1%
0.1 is this per year?
per annum.
Per annum.
Wait, savings, no?
Savings,
yeah. Okay,
savings.
okay.
Kasi iba yung
Yeah.
savings sa time deposit,
Okay,
sa
sige.
nakalak. Oo.
May time deposit ba dito sa research mo?
Wala pa.
Wala, okay.
Hindi ko
sige,
pa siya
sige.
nilagyan.
Pero at least savings
Time
lang.
Yes,
Basically, it's kind of like money that you put into these banks na anytime you can withdraw.
Idle
Yes.
money
Idle money.
that you can withdraw and then sitting on the
Liquid.
bank.
Yeah.
Which is we have it anyway.
Yes.
Compared dun sa GoTime,
Mhm.
ito yung second cluster.
Ayan.
The
Ayan.
GoTime,
Sa traditional,
Oo.
tapos
this is the digital bank.
Ito na yung mga
digital.
e-wallets.
Yes. The
Mhm.
Maya, GoTime, CIMB, Maribank or CBank, yung
Mhm.
ano.
Last time I checked, it's 3.5.
Yeah.
Right?
sa CBanks.
Tonic,
Yeah.
Own Bank, Netbank, Discartec. I think this is RCBC. And may nakikita ko dito as low as 3% per annum to as
Wow.
high as malaki yung
10%.
8%.
8%.
8%. That's
Pero-
for the preliminary research lang.
Pero mind you, yung mga 8% na ganyan, kasi may mga hook,
May limit.
may mga limits. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
And also, kasi sa Maya, from what I understand, you can go up to 15%. Pero, the limits are 100,000
pesos.
US tuloy. 100,000 pesos. Tapos, para maabot mo yung level na yon, kailangan mong gumasto.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you have to spend for you to be able to earn that. And
May
then,
minimum spend.
yes. And it
Mm.
restarts every 30 days.
Wow, okay.
So that's kind of like the things that you that you have to know. Baka kasi isipin mo, oh yes, 15% ako, tapos wala na akong gagawin.
Yeah.
Right? And
Binabalik.
akala mo, para sa buong 1 million mo yun, nalilagay mo yung 1 million
Yeah,
or
yeah.
let's say, kung meron kang malaking funds, lalagay mo doon, uy, 15% ako per month. Pero hindi mo alam, not per month, per
annum.
Per
annum.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayun, after 30 days, reset ka ulit.
Yeah.
Balik ka sa 3.5. Ano
Yung
nangyari?
yung per annum na yun, guys, divide mo ng 12. So that's your per month.
Yes.
So divide mo yung 12 yon, thinking na continuous yung ilalagay mo. Kasi this is, I think, this is APY. So compounded
Yes.
interest, no?
Yes, yes.
It's not the APR, which is yung usual na
Yes.
Sa banks.
per month mo siya. Or
Mm.
kahit
Mm.
hindi siya compounded,
Stable.
that's
Yes.
the
Yan na
interest.
talaga.
Oo.
Mm.
Yes.
So, imagine guys, you have your traditional banks which is hindi pa nga siya wala pang 1%, 0.1
Yes.
0.1 pa lang siya,
Oo.
no? And we have the digital banks which can provide at least 3% to as high as 15% provided na may gagawin ka, no? So you see, you can now gauge kung ano yung parang saan nila yung ranges, no?
Oo.
May mga pros and cons and probably we can talk about the pros and cons, no?
Yeah.
Sa traditional banks kasi,
Ano yung pinagkaiba niya
Yeah,
for
oo.
traditional and digital banks?
for traditional banks, I have my research over here is that wala kang minimum, no?
Yes.
Wala kang minimum
sa
dito
traditional.
and it varies by variant yung mga deposit
Okay.
mo. Of course, kapag ka mas malaki yung minimum, mas possible may access ka doon sa mas mataas na
interest.
interest rate.
Mm.
Pero, yun nga, hindi siya
You-
ganun kasing
oo.
laki ng mga digital.
And you cannot fall below the minimum balance.
Yan.
Because pag yan, umabot dun sa ganung...
May bawas pa yata
May
eh.
bawas. May mga penalties
Oo,
yan eh.
oo.
Alam
Wow,
ko.
may penalties.
I think sa
Yeah.
meron kasi akong BDO, may mini-maintain ako doon na 5,000 for payroll ko lang yun or for ano ko lang. Pag nabawasan below 5,000, mababawasan yung ano mo eh. Mababawasan mo yung
Balance.
mo eh. So,
Oo.
kailangan i-maintain mo
Parang
ng 5K.
may maintaining fee. Ganun.
Oo.
Oo. So those are things that you have to consider.
sa banks.
Sa banks.
Mhm.
Oo.
But just
okay,
being
gets.
practical, like where are you
Oo.
putting your money? Ikaw ba? Nabudol ka naman namin, Jake. Kasi research na to eh. Ano?
Yeah, right now, wala pa akong digital bank.
Okay. Sige.
Nasa GCash pa lang ako eh.
Okay,
Andun pa
okay.
lang ako.
Ito
Sige.
referral
Gcash
ko,
ako.
coach.
GCash level pa lang ako. Pero yun nga, lahat kasi ng, like meron akong BPI and RCBC.
Okay, sige. Alright, so I think kung ako magre-recommend like GoTime, Maya, those are the things eh. Like even for GCash kasi si GCash, well, I don't wanna talk about security, pero when it comes to GCash, maliit talaga eh. I mean, wala nga siyang interest eh, di ba? It's not like,
CIMB.
meron ba?
Hindi, I
Wait,
mean,
sige, meron ba?
No, I mean,
Alam ko may savings eh.
may savings.
CIMB.
May savings siya,
G
yes.
savings yata.
May
Pero that is like
CIMB
a
ang
third
may
party.
Yep.
CIMB
It's a third
yata,
party.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, CIMB.
CIMB.
As meron silang parang maximum limit for
Yes.
the savings. No?
Yes.
So you really cannot enjoy
Oo.
the maximum that you can put if meron kang sobra.
I think I tried with BPI Save. I tried with the 2. So meron din akong, kasi sinubukan ko just in case, like how do I actually access this? And I think sa BPI halimbawa, with BPI I only have 30,000 like maximum. And then afterwards, doon lang siya. And wala pa siyang interest, I think. Parang nagulat nga ako eh. Sabi ko like, nag-open ako. Kala ko ba I can go beyond like 50K or something like that. Pero hindi eh. So from what my understanding is, kinukuha ni GCash yung details mo, ibabato niya dun sa partner bank.
Mhm.
Tapos si partner bank yung mag-open with your details
Ayun.
through the GCash portal. Anyways,
Inaano ko
Yeah.
lang, kino-compute ko lang. Gusto ko ma-visualize nyo guys how big is the, like for example, 8% or 3%. So sabihin natin 3%. If you have 10,000 sa 3%, you can have like
Gaano ba kalaki yun?
300 pesos per
year.
year.
Per year.
How
Okay.
much is that in months?
Divided by 12.
Oh yes, ganun.
25 pesos
25 pesos. How about per day?
Yay.
per day.
Yes.
Divided by 30. That's 83 cents.
83 cents is still money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero kasi, ang pinaka-comparison kasi dito, no, you might see this one as medyo mababa,
Yep.
no? Pero, this is already 3%.
Yeah,
Yes.
That's
actually
3%
okay.
already.
Oo.
And, ang comparison kasi nito is wala.
Yes. Kaysa sa wala.
Kaysa
sa wala.
wala. Diba?
Exactly.
From zero,
Agree.
Yes.
your money is sitting there. Kunyari, wala ka namang ginagastos. Nagsisave up ka. Nagsisave ka sa, kaya nga savings eh, di ba?
Kumbaga,
Yes.
hindi mo
You're
ginagalaw
saving
yung
it
pera.
up for the
Yeah.
future. Hindi mo ginagalaw yung
Yes.
pera. That's 3% per year that could be added nang wala kang ginagawa.
Ginagawa.
Exactly. Oo.
So, what do you prefer? Dun sa walang, ano?
Sa wala. Or
Oo.
meron.
Or meron, di ba?
Yes. Oo.
Of course, may mga pros and cons yan. Like, for example, accessibility, mas madaling matransfer, may mga fees. But you get the point na, alamin nyo na lang muna yung mga fees na,
Yes.
but yun nga, compared sa 0, or sabihin na natin 0.0 something, versus
Fees
3%, di ba? Sa
Oo.
meron.
Yes.
Yan.
Exactly.
May fees, no? Imagine, no?
Right.
Nag-save ka ng 3% per annum tapos may fees na 15 pesos.
Naku,
Wala-
nagko-compute
wala
na
ka
to.
ng 3 months.
nagko-compute
Di,
na.
joke.
Nagko-compute na to.
Oo, wala ka ng 3 months.
Wala ka ng 3
Oo,
months.
pero, kaya ba boss, go time ang nalagay
Yeah,
mo.
ako sa
GoTime.
GoTime ako naglalagay eh. So, meron ako sa GoTime, meron din ako sa Maya. But bulk of my funds are in GoTime because it doesn't have any cap. So, unlike Maya na 100,000 yung cap niya, tapos afterwards, mas mababa na. Here with GoTime, there's 3.5. So, again, ang nakalagay or ang advertised is 3.5% per year,
Mhm.
right? But what they don't say or what is not computed are the taxes.
Taxes.
Of course, we're taxed.
Mhm.
So, kasama din sa computation. And so, this is kind of like the... so,
Yun.
ito. Pakita ko na lang para...
So, right
So,
now...
ngayon, nagbago na eh. March na tayo. Last na
Oo
episode
nga
natin.
Nung last episode natin, nasa 50K lang to.
Ayan, oh.
Pero right now, the total interest... pwede ko sabihin yung amount?
Yeah, sige, go lang. Go
Okay, so merong 6 million dito right now.
Mm.
Right now, ang total interest earned is 60,000 pesos.
Oh.
lang. Oh, so at least...
Diba?
I mean, it's money that wasn't supposed to be there anyways.
60,000, that's 10%. Point.
But that's I'm not sure. Pero
1%
hindi, kasi
na ata to,
nagdadagdag
boss,
ako lagi dito eh. From crypto
Pero yun nga,
earnings.
your point is,
My point is, that's money that's not supposed to be there in the first place. But, I mean, as interest.
Yes.
You know, because of interest, it's there.
kasi yung those little differences that we can, yung mga action natin na instead of the 0, we add to the may interest, no? We're earning something that is adds to your like habits na you look for ways to grow your money, ng very little effort ng ginagawa.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi sabihin na natin na okay, ganito 10 years hindi mo ginalaw yung pera mo. Or let's say 5 years na hindi mo ginalaw yung pera mo. Tapos for the for the next 5 years, nag-inflate, tumaas yung mga bilihin.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Halos wala ng value.
Anong protection mo for that?
Yeah.
Yes.
'Di ba? Then you can put it to those
Oo. At
banks
least meron.
Yes.
Diba? At least
oo.
meron kaysa sa wala.
Kaysa sa wala.
Kaysa kinain pa ng inflation.
Kaysa
I
inahin
think
pa
that's
ng
something
inflation.
that people should understand about when it comes to inflation, when it
Inflation.
comes to your money, na
Yep.
every year talagang nababawasan yung buying power
Buying
niya,
power.
yung true buying power
Yes.
niya. And so this is one way, I guess, to fight against that. Although it's not like the recommended way to fight against it, but at least it helps preserve some of your buying power.
Yeah, disclaimer that these are not your only options.
Yes,
guys. These
exactly.
are not only your options. We are just saying na ito yung mga pwede nating options na based on sa research and also
Yes.
based dun sa ginagamit na
Yes.
personally,
Namin.
no?
Yeah.
But you can also check out those digital banks.
Yes.
Bakit nga ba, you have a theory, bakit ba they can give like more than 1%, more than 3%?
Okay, so I don't really have the full details when it comes to these things, no? But from what I understand, especially, I think this is, don't quote me on this kasi narinig ko lang to sa kaibigan ko, right? He was talking about Salmon Bank. So, sabi, sobrang fishy naman yan kasi 8% yung
Kasi
bigay
salmon
niya.
Yan lang nga.
Alright, so I tried the app, pero unfortunately, dun lang ako sa may loan niya products. Hindi ko alam kung saan napunta yung bank. Kasi sabi ko, hindi naman ako nandito para mangutang. Gusto ko lang mag-deposit, pero hindi ko makita. But sabi niya, 8% is legit. Kasi, di ba, instead of 3.5, which is the usual, it's 8%. And he was explaining it to me, sabi niya, it's in lending. So parang 5-6 ba to or what? Kaya ang taas ng rate. Pero hindi. It's I think they're servicing clients na halimbawa you buy appliances in SM, tapos saan ba ako kukuha ng mga loan, yung mga 0% interest, 12 months, ganyan. So I think si Salmon Bank, yun yung business niya. But ito lang yung specific na target. So, mataas yung yield or mas mataas yung nakukuha nila when it comes to these things.
So, meron silang additional yield.
Patong, yung patong nila.
May business sila, and then they can pass it the interest rates to the mga users.
Yes,
para may
exactly.
dividends na
Ako
sinishare.
naman, narinig ko naman, they can give those high percentage because they don't have a physical
that too.
Wala silang physical
na bank.
They lesser employees, lesser yung
Everything's
marketing
automated.
nila. Ganon, so that they can save up and pass those savings dun sa mga
Mm.
kasi alam ko binalagay din nila to sa mga T-bill siguro, yung mga parang yield earning din.
Yes.
And then they can
Gets.
pass those up to sa mga users ng digital banks. That's why magandang innovation tong digital banks right now. Kailan ba to nagsimula? Meron na ba yan
I think
few years ago?
sumabog siya when it came to COVID.
COVID.
Yeah, after COVID,
Sumabog
people were
sa
like,
COVID.
yeah.
I
Pero
think
I
before
was
kasi GCash
using-
pa lang yung mga no?
Yeah,
Wala pa-
Gcash at that time, yeah.
Oo.
Ako pinakauna was Coins PH.
Coins PH.
Yeah.
oo.
So parang yun yung pinaka 2016 around that time.
Yeah.
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 Yun na, nag-ano na ako,
Digital
Coins
bank
Oo.
talaga.
Digital
Pero
bank.
hindi pa masyadong like tinatangkilik ng mga tao
Hindi
because they
pa.
didn't know.
Ang
Yeah.
taas pa nun.
Ano pa to?
Imagine pag nag-load ka, balik 10%.
Oo, tama.
Oo.
Yun pa. Yun pa. Kasi
Yeah.
imagine yung redemption ng pera mo from, from digital currency to like
Yes.
i-withdraw
Ang
mo,
tataas ng fees.
mahal.
Oo.
Hindi katulad ngayon dahil because of competition, probably,
Yes.
nandiyan
Mas maganda na yung
mas
rates.
maganda yung rates natin.
Exactly.
So, that's one way of like putting your money to work and have,
Yeah.
grow
Sabi nga
more.
nila, compounding interest is
The eighth wonder of the
eighth
world.
wonder of the world.
Eighth wonder.
Diba? Also, if you've read The Richest Man in Babylon, ito yung isa sa mga principles.
Yeah.
Libro
Like-
yun, di ba? Yung Richest Man in Babylon.
Yeah. You have to make your money work for you. It's not supposed to be there sitting by idly.
Yeah.
Yes.
So parang it's the greatest parang sayang kung yung
Oo.
check ko nga yung wallet ko mamaya kung may mga idle mo. Pero kasi most of my money right now is in crypto.
Yes.
Oh.
Sa dali kasi nga ngayon ng for example, I have an emergency, meron akong bibilhin or something.
Mhm.
I can just, withdraw it
Tap.
from sana hindi magbago. Kasi baka mamaya magsalita tayong tapos no.
Oo nga.
Kasi sana hindi magbago but the ease of withdrawal right now is mas madali compared before. No?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So P2P ka lang,
Oo.
ganyan, you can withdraw or even meron kang direct na like direct fee off ramp
Yes.
from the crypto. Bakit nandun yung most ng money ko? Kasi yun nga, yung
Mas
third.
mataas yung yield.
Ayan,
Yes.
yun yung pangatlo natin pag-uusapan, which is
Yes.
the DeFi.
DeFi.
Yan.
So we were talking earlier about traditional
The
banks,
local.
and then we went to the second layer, which is
Digital banks.
digital
Digital
banks,
banks.
e-wallets, and bakit mas mataas yung rates na nabibigay nila.
We
How
go
about
to the higher
crypto?
layer.
Ngayon,
Yan.
pero here's the question. Is it true that in crypto, high risk?
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Sa dami ng ano ngayon, ng institutional money
Mhm.
that's coming into crypto, you
Mhm.
just have to pick your poison.
Yes.
So,
Mm.
merong mga
Pero
risk.
unlike kasi for example
sabihin
sa
natin-
local banks,
Yeah,
meron
yeah,
kang
yeah.
security.
Kasi I think that's the
merong
number one
other,
contention ng mga tao,
Mm-mm.
di ba? Yung parang concern nila, bakit ko ilalagay dyan sa crypto? Parang scam naman yan. Or
Mm.
ang too good to be true, dito sa bangko, mas safe ako dito. Totoo
Mm.
ba yun?
Well,
What can you say?
Totoo.
Joke lang.
Sinuko bigla.
They have the
Di
same
ba?
kind of risk kasi.
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
this particular crypto banks na sabihin natin, no,
Mhm.
or mga parang mga lending platforms have their own type of risk. But they also have their kind of audits na meron silang ino-audit na these are all of the projects, all of the applications sa crypto is run by smart contracts.
Mhm.
So it's not run by trust.
Mhm.
Kasi sa bangko,
Mhm.
you have to trust the bank that they will do their job.
Yes.
That they will send you money and then they will continue doing that.
Mhm.
That's trust. Dito sa crypto kasi, it's called trustless.
Mhm.
Kasi they are doing the transactions via code or smart contracts.
Mhm.
So parang hindi na kailangan ng tao na mag-decide na ito
Mm.
ipapautangin natin siya, ito yung babalik niya. It's the smart contract that decides for them. And yun nga, may mga audit yung smart contract na yun so that may mga ma-mitigate yung mga possible risk.
Mhm.
But there's still risk.
Mhm.
So you have to diversify. No?
Yes.
hindi parang wag mo masyadong isang app lang doon concentrated yung money mo, no?
Mm.
Para mahirap naman 'yon.
Mm.
Yeah.
Agree.
I just to be fair kasi binabato ko sa lahat ng mga ganung mga questions kasi I remember there were certain banks pero bata pa ako so hindi ko na maalala yun pero there were certain banks before especially in the Philippine setting na nagkaput talaga sila.
Wala.
They went bankrupt.
Alright,
Oo.
alright.
So ngayon makikita mo yung mga news in different countries na nagbabankrupt din yung mga
Yeah.
major banks.
Wag na tayong lumayo. I mean, 2008 crisis.
Yes.
'Di ba? The banks that
Damang-dama.
masyadong madaming risk sa
Housing loan.
housing,
Yeah.
doon sila naapektuhan, no? So even though we trust the bank,
Mhm.
they can still be vulnerable to those kinds of risk.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, iba-iba na kasi yung mga risk natin so that we can enjoy, lessening the risk kasi may mga options na tayo like
Yes.
traditional banks, digital banks, DeFi.
Mm.
So we can have, malas mo na lang kung sabay-sabay.
But a basket of risk.
Yeah.
Right? Kaya
Malas
sabi
mo
nga
na
nila,
lang. Malas mo na lang.
Kasi lahat ng ginagawa natin merong risk, 'di ba?
Yes.
Maglakad ka lang sa labas
Oo.
Oh,
Yes.
may risk na.
I think that's one thing that's important to address. Like when it comes to the nature or what it is to risk, every choice that you do has inherent risks. What's important is you take the less risk, or let's just say, calculate mo yung risk mo. Manage your risk. Oo. Punta ka ba dun sa mas delikadong daan or dun ka sa mas safe, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So dun ka, syempre if you don't know the way, edi mas mataas yung risk mo. Why? Because hindi mo alam right? If it's your first time going to, yung kanina, na late tayo 10 minutes, di ba? Ayun, yun yung risk natin. Kasi,
500. Merong 500. Yan. So, sige, good example.
Sige,
Sige.
yan. Kasi
May
syempre, yung
500.
deadline natin, dapat nandito tayo by 10.
Nandito
diba?
kami by 10.
Tapos biglang,
Nirisk mo yung-
Nirisk
Nirisk ko yung
natin.
daan.
Sige,
Sabi
diretso
ko,
tayo dyan, Jai.
Diretso. Biglang ikot.
Iba pala.
Yun pala
Ayan.
yun. Sige. So, kaya ganun, no? May mga consequences yan
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
It's not always risk-free.
Yes, exactly.
Even though the bank that seems to be risk-free always has risk, no? May mga risk din yan.
Mm.
Kaya yung yung PDIC, that's 50,000 only, di ba? Yung
Oo.
risk, yung
500.
500, sorry.
5,000.
500,000 yung insurance.
Yes,
More than
exactly.
that,
Hindi
na.
nila i-cover. Yes.
And also may specific thing pa sila na kailangan, like bank run ba or
there's a specific condition for that to be able to, like, okay, sige, we'll cover you. Ganun. So basically, not all our banks, but all our usual accredited, banks in the Philippines, yan, meron tayong insurance na 500,000 per user. Right? So if ever may mangyaring masama, at least covered yung pera mo, pero up to 500,000 per user lang.
Yun.
Yes.
Kawawa naman yung 5,000 ko. Kawawa naman pag ganun.
Babalik daw sa'yo 500,000. Hindi, ginawang investment.
Ginawang investment.
Hindi, 5,000 lang din babalik. Yes. Baka maniwala niyo. Uy, ganun pala yun.
May question kaya ata dyan eh.
May question pa ba dito? Ano ba yung question dito na...
Yung sa yun nga pala, before, habang hinahanap ni Jai, if ever you have any questions, guys, just tag us, ask TR, hot money, ganyan, hashtag hot money, and then we can answer your questions over here sa
in the
podcast
comment
natin.
section. We can check that out. Sige.
Yep. Ayan, so sige, if you have 5,000 right now, or let's say $100, yan, para, para makarelate yung mga Pinoy na manonood.
Okay, sige.
Yeah. So, if you have 5,000 pesos,
saan mo ilalagay?
Ngayon like exactly right now, merong nangyari and everything.
Sige. Sa akin kasi, my belief is that I need to put that to work, right? So, sa akin, sinabi ko na kanina, GoTime ko siya ilalagay. Kasi pesos eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Pesos yung pinapag-usapan natin. Lalagay ko siya sa GoTime because yun yung binigay mo sa akin options eh. Hindi. Pero seryoso, kasi as low as 5,000 pesos or even lower, you can put it there and at least it's doing something. Savings, to me, it's supposed to be a system that you install in your mind, in how you deal with money. So, kahit maliit yan, magsimula ka. Basta magsimula ka lang. Right? That's what's important. It doesn't matter if you don't have $1 million today. Grind your way up to you until you reach that level. Until dumating ka sa point na buhay ka na sa yields mo.
Yeah.
So, ganun siya. Oo. People are gonna say, bakit privileged ka kasi ganito, ganyan. No. You work until you can deserve that kind of privilege.
Right.
Yeah.
Grind your way to privilege if you have to.
Ito, ilan ba trabaho mo?
Uy, grabe naman. Huwag niyo ako ilaglag sa kliyente ko na naman. Mamaya makita nila.
Pero I was looking kasi while you're talking,
yes.
I was looking at sabi ko, saan ko ba ilalagay sa akin naman? I was looking at the peso dollar. It's all-time high na pala right now. 59.68.
Tumaas ulit.
Yeah. Sabi ko nga last time, yung nag-dip, sabi ko, that's the best time to buy the dollar.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, 59.68 possibly. No?
Alright.
Oil. Yeah. I mean.
Oil money.
Yan. So, yun yung sa akin. Sa DeFi ko ilalagay.
Okay.
Kasi kapalit mo yung 5,000, hindi naman na ganun kalaki ang fees ngayon when you're trying to like papalit mo. No?
Yes.
So, may konting lang.
Let me just add, hindi ganun kalaki magpapalit kung alam mo kung asan magpapalit.
Yan. No?
Yan yung isa pang risk, di ba? Kung hindi mo alam kung asan magpapalit.
Sa SM sana ako magpapalit.
Well, yun yung mga business kasi nila. Business, may kailangan silang
money exchange.
Certain na spread o yung patong, tinatawag, no? So,
para
hindi ka maglalagay doon.
Safe din sa kanila.
So, pero kasi may KYC doon eh. Sa SM.
Yeah. They need to have your ID.
Yes. And may pipirmahan ka pang pag magpapapalit ka at bibili ka. May kailangan doon eh. So, sa magagamitin, ganyan.
Yeah, purpose.
Although, dito naman sa akin, sa mga exchanges na mga meron tayo, sa mga centralized exchanges, may mga KYC din naman. Kasi before you able to do the P2P, ganyan, kailangan mo magkaroon ng KYC.
Yeah.
Or, for example, ikaw yung magbebenta ng dollar sa akin, ako yung bibili, no? Ikaw yung magbebenta. So, kailangan mo malaman yung details ko. In case na something happens.
KYC
yes,
sa atin.
That's a KYC. Know your customer. So, sa akin, if you're 5,000 pesos, probably less than $100 yan. No?
Yes.
Less than na.
Less than $100. Pero, yun nga, ang upside mo doon is that if tumaas yung dollar, pangalawa, if mas mataas yung mga yields dito.
Yes.
I think the baseline here is like 10% per annum.
Wow.
Madali mo nang makukuha ngayon sa dami ng
Pwedeng mo paglagyan.
Yes, not
Yes.
only stable coins, may mga RWA na ngayon. Even you have
Yes.
access to gold, lending,
Yes.
credits,
Oo.
insurance, ang dami. So I'm really excited to talk about that kasi sobrang
Okay, sige.
open ng
Alright. Wait. Sige, ganito na lang. Fast talk. Sa
Fast
crypto,
talk.
if you have $100,
Nice.
what platform are you putting it into?
Beginner siguro you can have access to exchanges.
Okay.
Beginners.
Yeah. Okay.
Kasi wala ka pang concept of like decentralized
Sige.
exchanges.
So, which one?
I don't have right now eh. Wala akong ano.
Okay.
Ikaw ba,
Ako,
meron
ang
mo?
recommended ko is si OKXPay.
How much?
OKXPay is giving you 10%.
Wow.
Yeah,
Hmm?
10% yield on your USDG. But that 10% has a limit.
Okay.
All right? The limit is 10,000 USDG.
That's fine.
Yes!
That's fine.
Yes, that's
And
right.
grabe, guys.
Oo.
USDG, if they don't know, USDG is also a very good issuer.
Yes.
There's a global USD.
Paxos yan, di ba?
Paxos.
Yes.
Yes. So, yung mga gantong things, no? Pagka hindi
Oo.
nyo pa na okay lang, hindi nyo maintindihan.
Yep.
For now, hindi.
Oo,
Okay
oo.
lang. Pero
Okay lang for
get
now.
into it.
Start.
Natin yan.
Just
yan.
start.
Start
Yes,
and
oo.
then yung curiosity mo.
Kaya
Papasok
excited ako
yan.
dito kasi ang daming
Yeah,
world
ang daming
of DeFi.
talaga. It's a
sobrang-
wonderland of money.
Yeah. So, think of it, yung USDG, para siyang issuer ng, let's say, Paymayad pesos. Parang
Okay,
ganon.
yeah.
They issue the peso, sila yung nagme-maintain ng
Mm.
physical peso.
Hmm.
Parang ganon. So, si USDG, they are maintained by Paxos. It's also 1:1. $1 is to 1 USDG.
Hmm.
So, that's nice. $10,000 limit
Yes.
Tapos
for
10%.
10% without
Yes.
doing anything.
Yes.
So, for example,
okay, so kung
10,000.
lumagpas ka, alright, so something that our listeners na mas malaki pa yung
Marami
amount
akong
nila.
pera,
right?
sabi
okay?
nila.
Yeah. Late lang yan.
Hindi
Okay
naman,
na, kaya ko yan.
500,000.
So if you go beyond the 10,000 USDG limit, then anything beyond that is 5%.
Not bad.
5%?
Not bad pa
Yes.
din.
Oo.
Oo.
Uncapped.
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 Yes.
So,
Wait
walang
lang,
limit
compute ko nga.
from...
10,000.
So, your yield could be 5% to 10%.
Mhm.
No? You can enjoy that below $10,000.
Per annum.
Yes.
That's your one way of access. Kasi sa
Oo.
centralized exchange yan, hindi ka
Yes.
nalalayo.
Again, this is you need KYC. Katulad lang din
Yeah,
ng
ng
mga
bank.
banks natin,
Yeah.
right? They ask for your name, you have to submit an ID, you need to get verified, and then afterwards you can enjoy the products and services that they have.
Yeah.
So that's for CFI. Pero yun yung alam ko na pinakamataas, right?
Centralized
Right
finance.
now.
Oo.
Right now.
Centralized
Oo.
finance. So, sa decentralized finance or yung
Okay.
DeFi, napakarami, guys.
Yes.
But, as a beginner, ang nalagay sinasabi ko is sa Solana lagi.
Yeah.
There's a Camino that gives you
Ah.
around like, or hindi naman
lending.
like,
Sige, simulan natin sa lending.
well, hindi pala lending.
Looping yan eh.
Ah,
Iniisip mo, alam ko yan.
siguro hindi siya lending. Naked stablecoin.
Naked stablecoin.
Ano tong naked?
They can
Hubad.
give you 11%.
What?
No? 11%. I think it's
11%.
US
SUSD?
SUSDS Sky yata, no? Or basta may ano ko,
Okay.
may
May bago
may
sila.
bago na 11% naked. And meron din si USD Star. I think that's 10%.
Wow. Okay.
Pero these are not stable coins.
yeah, these are yield bearing.
Yield bearing, oo.
Okay.
Iba
sige.
siya.
Oo.
Pag stable coins,
Yeah,
merong
that's
mga
the
five-
1:1.
Yeah, 1:1.
that's the 1:1.
Lending lang.
Oo.
You can 5%. So malaki yun
Yeah.
sa'yo, 10%.
Yeah. Oo.
10%.
Malaki yun sa'yo. So Camino, you can have like 5% dyan. Pwede kang maglaro dyan. Pero as you want to, pwedeng i-increase yung yield mo, i-increase mo din yung risk mo.
Yes.
Mhm.
No?
Yes.
So doon ako sa mga RWA naglalaro ngayon. I can have
Onre.
like on-re insurance like
Yes.
20%. So
Wow. That's
No.
with looping, no?
that's 2.5x loop lang.
Okay.
Not so much
Wow, wow.
Not
Pero
so
it's
much.
still, pero with a 2.5x loop, anong itsura nito?
Anong itsura?
Like ilang percent yield mo?
Yeah, 20%.
20% with 2.5?
Yes, that's the maximum yield kasi.
Okay.
Kasi yung iba-
Maximum multiply na yun?
Yung
Okay.
iba kasi 8x, 'di ba, ng mga loop
Oo.
and then they can only give you 15%.
Wow. Okay, sige. Can you give us like, ano bang itsura nitong looping? Kasi alam ko parang this is a very new product.
Yeah.
Pero give us like a simple, explain to me like I'm 6.
Okay. You first need to understand the naked lending.
Okay.
Na naked lending is yung nagpapautang ka lang mismo. Wala kang ginagawa. Kunyari, may pera ako, may 10,000 ako. Nilagay ko sa'yo, binigay mo sa akin is yung 5% na interest for lending you the money. So that's it. Wala ka nang gagawin. Pero, hindi mo ba, pwede mo, you have a collateral eh. Yung pinautang mo ay collateral. What's good about decentralized finance is that with your collateral, you can borrow another asset from your collateral while earning the interest.
Yes.
Pero of course, mababawasan yung interest mo because you're now on the other side.
Yes.
Ikaw yung nangungutang ngayon.
So nagbabayad ka din ng interest.
Yes, nagbabayad ka ng interest.
Right.
But, for example, ang interest rate is 3%. And then, yung pinautang mo is 5%. May surplus ka ngayon na 2%. And meron ka pa ang asset na pwedeng, let's say, 90% loan to value. So, yung 10,000 mo,
9,000.
9,000.
Ang pwede mong hiramin.
Oo, may 2,000 surplus ka pa. So, hawak-hawak mo yung 9,000 plus may 2% ka pang extra.
Okay.
So, ano pwede mong magawa dito? Ipapautang mo ulit.
Alright.
And then, babalik ulit.
And then do the cycle until...
And then, do the cycle. And then, you multiply your yield. Instead of 5%, if you loop another one, that's like 10%. Or, hindi, 7% kasi meron kang yield na 2 extra. Times 2, ita-times mo yung 2% na surplus sa number of yield mo. So, for example, you did that like 10 times. That's 20%. You did that 5 times, that's 10%. But, disclaimer again, na itong mga loop na to increases your risk in case na magdepeg yung inautang mo.
Yes.
So, these are concepts na pagka, kunyari, na wala yung value, hindi siya naging 1:1, naging 1:95% or 1:0.95 siya. 1:0.90. 1:0.80. Yun yung mga depeg na wala yung 1:1 niya. That's your risk.
Yes.
But, the good news is that you can find these assets na pwede mong i-loop with less risk.
Pipili ka lang dapat.
Pipili ka lang dapat. Paano malaman kung pipili?
Yes.
You have to research. Basahin niyo yung mga risk assessment ko. No? Parang ganon.
Do you think it's possible, like for example, sa banks, maglo-loan ako, like local banks if we're going, para mas maintindihan nung iba na wala pang familiarity when it comes to DeFi. Do you think it's possible for me if I'm going to loan sa traditional bank, which is 3%, and then lalagay ko siya sa digital bank?
Wala nga yung
for
3% na utang eh. Mahirap
okay, so
for example,
alam ko sa traditional bank, hindi basta-basta eh. You have to apply for the loan.
Yes.
And then they're gonna check like ano ba yung kakayahan nito to repay.
Right.
Right? With e-wallets, I think depending on your transaction and your maintaining balance, they can also issue you a loan, but to a certain degree also.
I see.
With e-wallets, instant din eh.
Yeah.
Pero meron tinatawag,
credit
diba?
score.
Hindi. Loan to value.
Yeah. Loan to
Yun.
value.
So, I actually, yun yung sinasabi ni Jake na dapat meron kang collateral. So, they look at your account, they check, kaya nito. I haven't tried other lending apps, yung as in wala ka talagang collateral.
So, kumbaga,
I haven't tried that. Okay. So, yung parang,
Meron
my
ako.
word, my life.
May experience ako dyan.
my name.
May experience ako dyan kasi may mga applications na sabi ko, too good to be true. Nag-download ako.
Okay, sinubukan mo.
Sinubukan ko. Wala akong ID.
Dami na nag-text sa'yo.
Madami
Tapos?
nag-text sa akin. Pwede akong umutang like, for example, hanggang 10,000. Wala akong gagawin.
Tapos?
Wala. I mean, meron kang interest sa babayaran pero ang kapalit mo doon is your identification.
Yep.
Your nakalagay na sa death note yung
Yung
pangalan.
Yes, yung mga
Tatawagan na nila yung
mga
mga
collector.
mag-message na sila
Yes.
sa
Pero
mga kakilala mo.
napakalaki kasi ng
interest.
Oo.
pag umutang ka ganon.
Nang ganun,
Kum-
I see.
Kumbaga, it's possible to do it in traditional and digital banks pero merong limitations.
Wala kang surplus, kumbaga.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Hindi
Kumbaga,
ka, mas
mahirap.
malaki lagi ang borrowing rate dito than
ikaw yung
interest.
magbibigay.
Unless ilagay mo somewhere else.
Okay. Ang
Gets.
galing Wala ba sa script yung
Sa
tanong na
bagay.
yun?
Wala
yata. Pero legit
naisip
ang
ko
ganda.
lang if we can
Sarap
compare
nun,
to
oo.
traditional.
Maganda. May
from
mga gumagawa
DeFi.
actually. Kasi may
Yes.
mga nakikita ako nagsasabi sila na, si credit, eto iba naman to. Credit card, nagbigay sa akin 0% interest for 3 months.
Okay.
Tapos ang tinatanong nila, saan ko pwedeng ilagay? Nabasa ko to sa Kaskasan Buddies eh.
Okay.
Ayun.
Oo.
So,
Parang-
hello.
Kaskasan Buddies.
Ayan, mga
So parang may
kaibigan
nagtanong
natin
doon na yung bank, yung credit card ko, pinapautang ako ng let's say 100,000 yata yon.
Mhm.
Mhm.
And then they're giving me 0% for 3 months.
Oh,
Gusto niya
wow.
ilagay sa digital bank.
Yun.
That itself, in theory, is
Mm.
okay. Kasi 0% eh.
Oo.
Ibibigay ka nila ng walang borrow
No
interest.
interest. Zero.
No interest.
Galing.
So everything that you put dun sa, kunyari, sa Maya or sa ano.
Mm.
For example, ilang
Free na. Free
free
money.
na. Tapos, babayaran mo na lang siya.
Okay, sige. So, ano yung,
After third
ano yung, why is this too good to be true, or is it like, legit?
I don't know. This is too good to be true kasi hindi mo naman siya babayaran ng at the end of the month.
Mhm.
At the end of 3 months?
Babayaran mo siya every month.
Talaga?
Yung
Yes.
usually na ganun.
I see.
Babayaran mo
Hindi
siya ng
siya
3
yung
months.
parang at 3 months, at the end of that, babayaran
No,
ko na hindi.
no.
Sa 3
Okay,
months,
okay.
I see.
Pero wala talaga interest.
Wala talaga interest.
Yes.
Ayaw talaga.
May
nila.
mga, naghanap nga ako ng ganun eh.
Ay, divided by 3?
I don't know kung divided by 3. Basta,
Mukhang
So,
may,
30.
baka ganun.
mukhang
33.3.
iniisip ko na eh. Gumagana yung utak ko eh.
Oo.
Parang ilulup ko to sa...
Alam mo, pwede yan.
Oo,
Diba?
pwede.
Diba?
Pwede.
Yeah, you can do that.
Iloop natin.
Mm.
Anyway,
Mm.
sige.
So that's also the power of, finding those opportunities na 0%
Gets.
interest.
Oo.
I think
I think for you to get that kind of offer, you have to use their bank or their
Or
credit.
dapat may collateral
from time
ka
to
for
I
time.
don't know kung anong catch dito.
Mhm.
Baka possibly they're just trying to, make use of their surplus money na they're buying the customer. Acquisition siguro nila yun.
Yeah. Way to acquire the
Gets.
customer. So,
Possible?
thinking is like, okay, long term itong customer na to, gagamit
Babalik
to.
to sa akin.
Yeah.
And then we'll be using my product.
Mm.
And I'm okay giving out 0% as long as they pay.
Oo.
Ang galing. No? Ang daming
Wow.
loops, guys, no? Na parang
Dami nating pwedeng,
pwede mong laruan.
Nako.
So, kayo nang bahala mamili.
Lamang ang may alam.
Yeah.
May alam.
So, I think what we can do, ito yung sinabi ko sa'yo, Jake, kanina, no? And gusto ko ding i-spill dito. So, hindi pa namin to nagagawa as of this moment, but it's already something na nasa utak ko na gusto kong ilagay out there. Basically, it's going to be a dashboard
Mhm.
where we
Oh.
get to compare traditional banking, yung second layer natin, the digital banks, and then finally CFI and DeFi, so that we will be able to update that. Pwede din siguro kung gagawa tayo ng manual na toggle, but tayo mag-update ng mga figures, and then the users or you guys who are watching, you can see kung yung question natin kanina, if you have 5,000 pesos or if you have $100, kung isasaksak mo yan in any of these platforms, ano magiging itsura ng yield mo per day, per month, per year? I don't
Maganda.
think nobody
Maganda.
has built this yet.
Nobody.
So,
nga.
we'll see if we can do this for you
Maganda.
guys.
Parang
And then,
may
yeah.
sa loop scale ganyan eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Parang may
Oo.
daily.
Meron
Oo.
siyang
weekly.
parang,
That's why I
Ang
was
ganda.
saying eh. Sabi
Ang
ko parang,
ganda.
wait lang,
Meron
ang ganda
siyang
nito
estimate.
Ang ganda.
Oo.
For
Meron
ano,
siyang
pag
estimate
nilagay
kasi
mo yung pera.
it's all clear.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Oo.
Pati yung slippage mo and how many days are you gonna recoup
And the
that.
daily, oo. Pero ang nandun lang kasi is like, it changes eh. The yield changes per day when it comes to crypto, when it comes to DeFi. Sa CeFi, minsan they guarantee it, but only at a certain time frame.
Month.
Right? So usually, centralized exchanges, they do this like a promo, 6 months. So minsan people are like saying, oh, too good to be true. Hindi, pero 6 months.
May limit.
Oh, may ganun. For DeFi, it's different kasi it depends on how many users are in that pool. So halimbawa, may certain rewards or certain yun nga, yung rewards dun sa pool na yun.
Mhm.
Kung dadami yung users, dadami yung maglalagay doon at mag-i-invest, edi mababawasan yung rewards. And kung konti lang yung nandun, and then ikaw lang lahat nandun, edi mataas yung reward.
Mhm.
So, di ba? So this is how it works, no? And we'll see if we can build this tool. That's going to be si Jake pala, he's one of our
Kaya yan.
CTO.
yes, he's really good when it comes to these things, building products, and buti na lang may AI. It can help us with the
Yeah.
codes and build
That's
these
a good
apps.
idea kasi at least
Yeah.
they can also visualize
Yeah.
kung saan nila
Mm.
kung ano itsura.
Oo,
Even though
yeah.
they don't really need to put money on it. At least
Mhm.
anong itsura
Mm.
when it's certain money, no. Of course, the more na meron kang pera, mas marami kang makukuha, no.
Yeah.
Notional. Pero kapag you're starting out, don't look at kasi may 6 million si boss kaya 60,000
Mataas.
yan eh.
Oo.
Don't look at that. Look
Yep.
at
Yeah.
Kung anong meron.
Percentage.
incremental.
Mm.
But yeah, basically what we're saying here is start early, learn these systems. You have to make sure that this system is installed into you.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman yan na parang bigla ka magkakaroon ng 5 million or 1 million or 500,000. You know,
Paano kung meron ka?
Paano kung meron ka?
Yan, oo.
But before even asking that, no, like you have to make sure na ni-build mo siya as a habit.
Yeah.
It has
Yeah.
to be ingrained in you. Kasi para dumating yung point na yon, alam mo na kung paano siya i-manage. Hindi
Right.
siya mismanage. I saw something, I think a post recently na, well, I don't wanna quote or put it in God's mouth, no. But basically, ang nakita ko dun sa post na yon is God cannot multiply what you mismanage. So, again, I don't wanna put, magandang quote lang siya.
Yeah.
Right? Magandang quote lang. Wala sa Bible to.
Wala sa
Wala sa Bible to. Pero yun yung nakita ko na parang, oh nga no, like what, in my words, or if I would say it like, kung ako, if you mismanage something, you're not worthy of that. And when it comes to trading, kung ano yung systems mo, you always fall back to that system eh. So, if you have a system that you can scale, it will always scale to the point where your capacity can.
Right.
So if you don't have the capacity for it, babalik ka dun sa capacity mo. So, halimbawa, yung we hear about these stories about millionaires after na nanalo sa loto,
Then
right?
going back.
Nagiging millionaire,
Yeah.
millionaires
In a day.
sa loto. And then afterwards,
Nauubos
because
lang.
they don't have the capacity to handle that, wala, nagiging drain, no? So waste. It's a waste.
Yeah.
So that's why we're advocating educate yourselves. We have to educate ourselves how to manage our money wisely. If we have money lying around, saan ba natin to pwedeng ilagay para at least man lang it's making some interest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I see. So, ang ganda nung marami ba kayong napulot, guys? Kasi ako ang dami ko napulot. Kanina nakatulala lang ako dito, natututo na lang ako. So, yun yung yun yung pinaka end goal natin, no, is to save, invest, and then be secured in our or if you're blessed enough na ma-secure mo pa yung next generation mo. Kumbaga hindi na sila mahirapan pa to grind like us right now, or yung iba na nandyan na, make sure to manage it well or risk it well na.
Also, wag kayong mag-alala guys, because I know some of the concepts here might be complicated or baka mamaya super foreign para sa inyo. We're going to try to simplify it and help you out through tutorials. So we're gonna make some tutorials on how you can start, whether it's yung specialty kasi natin is crypto.
Yeah.
But we'll see if we can cover as well yung mga e-wallets ganyan. Madali lang naman siya. It's not as hard.
It's the same concept. Baliktad nga eh. Natuto ka ng mga traditional concepts through crypto.
Yes, actually.
Baliktad eh.
Yeah,
yun yung entry ko kasi to know.
Ganito pala yung nangyayari sa likod.
Yes. That's may ganitong equivalent rin pala to sa
Yeah, I think the thing is hindi kasi siya available na product sa atin when it comes to traditional finance kasi you need a certain level of capital para pansinin ka ni bank or pansinin ka nitong mga institutions. When it comes to crypto, it doesn't have to be that way.
Wala siyang
Even if you have as little as 5,000 pesos,
$100.
you can start.
Yeah.
All right. So, I think that's all for our discussion for
Ang dami pa natin
this
gusto
podcast.
sabihin pero I'm sorry, wala na tayong time.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, don't worry guys, babawi kami dito sa mga tutorials na to.
If this is
Yes.
something na maraming questions ganyan, we will have episode 2 type 2. Naging dugo na no? Pero ayun. So we'll just talk about in the future about other stuff or yung meron kayong questions about this episode. And but today we're gonna end this and see you again on our next episode of Hot Money. Bye guys.
Bullish or bearish, we are here for both. Whether it's your first time trading or you're already a savvy investor, we believe financial freedom is for everyone. And together, let's take advantage of the vast wonderland of money that's unfolding right before our very eyes. We are Trading Republic. Welcome to our podcast. And this is where the hot money is.